Hi, I'm Chris Daniel with Cincinnati Forge Tools. Welcome to our series of instructional videos on how to use our handmade hardy tools. Thanks for watching and let us know what you think.
Hello, I'm Scott Stansberry from Cincinnati Forge Tools. In this video I'll be telling you about our cupping hardy tool. There are a variety of uses for the cupping hardy, but we use them in conjunction with hollowing hammers to shape leaves. Thus, hardy combined with our veining hardy tool enables you to create beautiful, veined and shaped leaves. Our cupping hardy is forged from one piece of 2-inch round bar stock. Each hardy has a 2-inch diameter bowl with a polished groove on one side to accommodate necked rod stock, like so. The bowl shape on each tool may vary in depth, but can be easily customized by grinding it to your desired depth. We have 4 available shank sizes: 3/4 inch, 7/8 inch, 1 inch, and 1 1/4 inch. We can also make a custom shank size to fit your anvil. Stay tuned for a demo on how to use our cupping hardy tool.
Now we're going to show you how to use our cupping tool. Well, one of the many ways to use this cupping tool. So we've got a leaf already prepared with a vein down the middle. As you can see here, we have a recessed area and a small groove here, so you can lay your leaf in there upside down with the stem actually on that little groove. Using a hollowing hammer, you can tap down into that to change the shape of your leaf to whatever depth you really want. So when you get to this temperature, it's probably a good thing to throw it back in if you want to get it a little bit deeper. You can see here we're making these 2 lobes sort of swell a little bit. Gives a little bit more dimension to the steel. So now it's probably hot again. Ben's going to bring it back out, do a little bit more sculpting on this. Okay, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.